There may be a time when you need to change your baby's formula to a new one. This video will show you how to make that change. Each formula tastes a little different, so it may be helpful for your baby if you make the change slowly. Here's an example of a schedule that you can use to change from Formula A to Formula B over the course of a week, so slowly, and we're using powdered formula as an example. When you start making the change, you'll need a total of 4 cans of powdered formula, 2 cans of the old kind of formula, and 2 cans of the new formula, the one you're changing to. The example we're going to show is a slow change from one formula to the other. It takes about 1 week. If you feel like your baby isn't bothered by the taste change between the two formulas, you can speed it up. It's okay for the baby. For the first 2 days, every time you make a bottle, you'll mix 8 ounces of water, 1 scoop of the new formula, and 3 scoops of the old formula. If your baby usually drinks less than 8 ounces at a feeding or smaller bottles, then after you mix the formula, you can split it into smaller bottles and then just give 1 bottle at each feeding. The other thing to remember when you're mixing the formula is that each brand of formula might have a different size scoop, so make sure you're using the scoop that comes with each can of formula when you're mixing up the bottles. So now for the next 2 days of the week, days 3 and 4, for each bottle you make, you'll mix 8 ounces of water, 2 scoops of the new formula, and 2 scoops of the old formula. The next 2 days after that, days 5 and 6, you'll mix each bottle with 8 ounces of water, 3 scoops of the new formula, and 1 scoop of the old formula. And then the last day of the week is the day that you've made the change completely, so all bottles from now on will be 8 ounces of water and 4 scoops of the new formula. And this shows you an overall view of what the week will look like when you make the change. If you are changing formulas and you have any questions about it before or during the change, feel free to call your local WIC clinic for help.